Hello mga kapatid, magandang araw po at ang pag-ibig at kapayapaan ni Kristo maghari sa puso at damdamin natin. At greetings po sa mga kapatid natin. Sa ibang pananampalataya, si Brad Chunray nagpasa sa atin ito na may sagot ang mga kapatid natin ng mga grupo sa tungkol sa Archdiocesan Shrine of San Nicolas Tolentino Parish. Response din ito sa video natin. Ang mga kapatid natin na ang tawag nila ay yung tawag sa grupo nila, mga kapatid. Babasahin natin yung kanilang statement. North American Old German Catholic Church, Urich Succession, Archdiocese of California. May isang pare nagmisa na nagmimisa sa simbahan katoliko sa kapilya mismo. At babasahin natin yung kanilang response sa video natin. So, babasahin ko lang before tayo magbigay para makuha naman yung kanilang sentimento. Dahil balance po tayo at puno tayo ng respeto kahit sa ibang pananampalataya natin. Okay? Ito yung response nila sa video natin. Context. Father Darwin posted an online video commentary regarding the incident in Cebu City involving Father Roland Bolso, a former Roman Catholic priest now serving under North American Old Roman Catholic Church, who responded to spiritual plea of a community that had been abandoned by their usual shepherds. So, inaabandon na daw itong pumupunta sa kanila. So, basahin natin ng buo. So, ito yung storya nila na inaabandon na daw sa pari sa Archdiocese Shrine of San Nicolas Tolentino. Galing po ito nila hindi po ito sa akin, mga kapatid. So, patuloy tayong magbasa. Peace be with you and to all watching that video. We appreciate Father Darwin still addressing Father Roland as Father and his reminder to the Roman Catholic. Pari naman talaga siya because ang pagkapari kahit lumabas ka man ay patuloy pa rin yung pagkapari mo. Hindi makukuha yan. Hindi mawawala yan. You are priest forever. And his reminder to the Roman Catholic faithful to verify who they invite for spiritual services, making sure that the priest invited is in communion with the Church of Rome. Yan po talaga yung turo ng ating simbahan. That is responsible guidance and we fully agree. Salamat po mga kapatid ko na mga kahit iba yung pananampalataya natin at si Father yan is former Roman Catholic. At yung pagkapari niya ay hindi mawawala, mga kapatid, unless mabalik siya sa pagkalaigo. And then mag-apply pa yan ng dispensation sa Santo Papa. However, several statements in this video are factually, canonically, and doctrinally incorrect. So, ating mabasahin patuloy. And we must set the record straight for the sake of truth and the salvation of souls. So, unang pagkakamali. Hindi niya sinabi na lubas na siya. He did not declare he's no longer with the Church of Rome. Truth. Father Roland openly and clearly stated from the very start that he now serves under the North American Old German Church as AOC, no longer under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Church. He even introduced his wife and son who were present at the Mass. The community elders confirmed this was clearly communicated. there was never any attempt to hide his status or situation. Okay. So dito mga kapatid, sinasabihan nila na so ito yung storya sa mga kapatid natin. So sabi niya na napakilala naman siya, no? So yan po ang side po nila. Well, and good kung totoo ito. Kung totoo ito kapatid, alam nyo naman na hindi sila Old Roman Catholic Church na member. Di ba po? Bakit nagpatuloy pa rin kayo ng misa? Meron naman kayong member. Doon kayo magmisa sa mga member ninyo, di ba po? So granting na totoo ito, na nagpakilala si Father Roland, dahil i-verify pa natin, dahil wala tayong communication sa mismong lugar. Okay? Kung totoo po ito, pangalawa, ang unang punto ko, bakit nagmimisa kayo? Hindi naman sila Old Roman. Learn to say no. Learn to say no. Dahil, lumabas na kayo sa simbahan eh. Di na pwede magmisa, wala na siyang faculty. No faculty cannot celebrate. Ito daw pangalawa na pagsisinungaling. Mga presumption po yun. Mga presumption po yun, no? He no longer holds faculty to act as a Roman Catholic priest. But, yan ang punto ko, na hindi na siya magmisa to act as a Roman Catholic priest. No? And then, yung mga pinagmisahan niya is Roman Catholic, yun eh. Yun ang punto, mga kapatid. Mga with due respect sa inyo. So, ang advice ko po, at ang reflection ko po, mag-focus lang kayo sa flock ninyo. Lumabas na kayo sa simbahan eh. Bakit? Magmimisa pa rin kayo sa membro ng simbahang Katolika. Learn to say no. No? Hindi na yan membro sa Old Roman Catholic yung minimisahan ninyo. Diba? So, anong intention nyo? To save soul? Kung to save soul, bakit lumayas kayo sa simbahan? Bakit umalis kayo sa simbahan po? Kung sasabihin mo to save soul, ang ganda pakinggan. Very, authentic. Kung consistent kayo to save soul, bakit umalis kayo sa simbahan? Yan ang tanong ko sa inyo. So, totoo naman that he celebrated that Mass as a priest of North American Old Roman Catholic Church, particular Apostolic Church, Sui Juris, with its own lawful structure. He was granted full faculty by his own ordinary bishop within this jurisdiction. Totoo naman. Pero ang tanong, jurisdiction ba ninyo? Hindi nga niyo membro yun eh. Di ba po? Ang sarap pakinggan. Saving souls. Kung saving souls, kung consistent kayo, bakit lumayas kayo sa simbahan? Bakit lumabas kayo sa simbahan? Sana nanatili na lang kayo sa simbahan. Canonical principle. Faculties depend on the authority that grants them. So, ang authority nyo sa mga membro ninyo, sa jurisdiction ninyo. Jurisdiction ba ninyo yan? Hindi nga nyo yan membro eh. Di ba po? Sinasagot lang natin. So, ito pong pagsagot ko nilinaw na natin dahil pumapasok na sila sa hindi jurisdiction nila. Hindi nga member ng Old Roman Church. Saan ang jurisdiction nyo dyan? Di ba po? It does not nullify authority lawfully received in another particular church. Therefore, he acted validly and licitly under his own proper jurisdiction. Wala ka rin yung jurisdiction. Catholic po yun eh. Roman Catholic po yun eh. Yan po ang katotohanan. At hindi ko pa alam yung tunay na storya. Nagbabatay lang po ako sa sagot ng mga sa grupo ni Father Roland bulso po. So, doon kayo magmimisa sa membro ninyo. Doon kayo magmimisa sa parokya ninyo. So, patuloy. Di na pwede magmisa. Nasagutan natin ito. Walang apostolic succession. The valid line of succession. So, hindi daw totoo. Meron daw silang apostolic succession. Truth. This is an irresponsible statement made without any verification or research. North American Old Roman Catholic Church as traces its origin to the Old Roman Catholic sect, to the Old Roman Catholic See of Euritz, whose valid holy orders the Holy See itself has historically recognized. Who taught you, Father Darwin, that apostolic succession communion with Rome? Stop engaging in church politics. That's diabolical. Ang diabolical yung lumabas. Babasahin ko sabi niya, diabolical daw. Babasahin natin sino yung diabolical. Base sa Biblia, yung mga antichrist. I-quote natin. Okay? 2 verse 19. Binabasa ko po yung nila, yung statement nila. Ito po, the context nito is the Antichrist. St. John identifies them as Antichrist. Sino ba itong Antichrist? They went out from us. Lumabas sila galing sa atin. But they were not really of our number. If they had been, they would have remained with us. Mananatili sila sa atin. Their desertion shows that none of them was out our number. Hindi sila member natin. They went out from us, but they were not of us. Why? Because if they had been of us, they would not doubt. They would no doubt have continued with us. St. Augustine of Hippo, tractates on the first epistle of John. So kung totoo, nanatilit sana kayo sa amin, di ba? So wala na kayong jurisdiction dahil Roman Catholic yun. Then member po yun. Learn to say no, mga kapatid. Bakit nagmimisa kayo? Anong intensyon nyo sa pagmisa? Saving souls? Totoo kaya yun? Saving souls? Kung saving souls, bakit kayo umalis sa simbahan? Ito naman yung tatag ni Kristo. Alam nyo yan. Di ba? So, this is an irresponsible statement made without any verification or research. The North American Old Roman Catholic Church, US, its origin of the Old Roman Catholic See of Euritz, whose valid holy orders the Holy See itself has historically recognized. Granting na-recognize kayo sa Holy See. Who taught you, Father Darwin, that apostolic succession, communion with Rome? Who taught? Kailangan ma-commune tayo sa Rome. Kaya nandun si Peter. Kung wala kayo, di ba? Pwede question nyo yung communion with Rome. Meaning to say, you question the authority of Peter. Stop engaging church politics. That's diabolical. Sino yung diabolical? Yung umalis. John chapter 1, 2 verse 19. Okay, sasagutin lang natin. Don't open your mouth without first investigating facts. Just focus on service. You are doing well in your exorcism ministry. Many of us in North American Old German Church clergy are your admirers. Salamat po. Salamat po. So, unang-una, who taught you, Father Darwin, that apostolic succession, isa yan. Dapat makonekta tayo sa Roma. Kaya nga, sabi nyo dito, recognized by the Holy See. Sino ba yung Holy See? Roma. Kung totoo yun, ipakita ninyo yung sabi dito. Saan ba yung Pope Leo, sabi dito, Pope Leo XIII confirmed the validity of orders coming from Euritz. The Holy See has never declared them invalid. So saan po ito na reference, kapatid? Si Pope Leo, saan po itong document? Hindi mo kinukote ang document. Saang document po ito? Naghihintay po ako ha. Si Pope Leo, saang document na sabi, confirm validly that the holy orders coming from Utrecht, the Holy See has never confirmed validity. Saan po yun? Dahil kinukote mo si Pope Leo, kapatid. So ang tanong, saan po na document ni Pope Leo na nag-recognize sa inyo? Granting na nag-recognize kayo. Granting ha. Pero yung minisahan ninyo, hindi yung jurisdiction ninyo eh. Hindi din member ninyo. Learn to say no, kapatid. Okay, patuloy tayo. The CDF, Declaration Dominus Jesus, paragraph 17, explicitly in perfect communion, churches which, while not existing in perfect communion with the Catholic Church, remain united to her by means of closest bonds, that is, by apostolic succession, a valid Eucharist, are true particular churches. Totoo naman ito. Basta doon merong apostolic succession. Yung Orthodox, na-connect ni St. James. Pero kayo, saan kayong apostol na connect? Yan ang punto dito eh. Yung mga Orthodox, connected po yun eh. Okay? So marami pa silang punto dito, pero sasagutin pa natin sa sunod. Dahil wala na akong oras, magmisa na tayo. At ang pag-ibig, mga kapatid, sa ibang pananampalataya, sa mga North American Old German Catholic Church, maghari sa atin. Sinasagot ko lang po, punto por punto, yung mga statement with a humble heart po. At sana po, ipromote natin yung katotohanan, ang tunay na simbahan. Hindi po yung simbahan na umalis na sa tunay na simbahan po. So, Fight Team Maria Orthodox FD with a humble heart po. God bless.